HCD TV, from the publishers of Healthcare Design, providing expert insight into the design, architecture, and engineering of healthcare environments. Online, in print, and in person. HCD TV.
We're here with Bill Gregory, the president of the Healthcare Council of the IFMA. Bill, tell us a little bit about yourself and the association.
All right, I'd be happy to do that. I'm the vice president of facilities for an agency called Adelphi USA. Adelphi is an agency that takes care of at-risk youth. We have about 1,000 employees, and we handle kids between the ages of 14 and 18 that are adjudicated as delinquent or dependent children, and we have their care for 8 to 10, 12 months or so. We have a number of facilities, a number of group homes, we have a number of schools, and that's our business primarily in Western Pennsylvania. Just to go back a bit, I was the international president of IFMA in 1994, and I found a great love for association work. I've been involved in association work since the early 80s, and in IFMA primarily, and continuing today as president of the Healthcare Council. The council is one of 16 councils in IFMA, and being all healthcare, and my background was in healthcare, and we have a group of us that have run the council for a number of years.
You've been to this event for a few years?
I've been to Healthcare Design, this is probably number 4 or 5. It's a great venue for healthcare. It's an excellent venue for facilities people to see all of the different ideas. The networking is so valuable to a facilities person. Being a facility manager, that's what I'm all about. I'm really trying to do what we can within the council to support the facility manager in healthcare.
What do you like most about the conference? Is it the education, the chance to see old friends? A little bit of each.
Facilities people, it's networking. Networking works. It's building that group that you can reach out to when you're solving problems and someone else has already solved it. And it's very simple sometimes to reach out to somebody you met at a conference that may have a particular expertise. So networking, exposure to innovative ideas. That's very hard when you stay in your home camp and you never get out of there. You miss a lot of what's happening in the business, and the conference provides those kind of opportunities.
And could you just talk a little bit about some of the challenges a facility manager faces these days?
We think one of the challenges that we have with a healthcare facility manager is there's not a lot of budget for a facility manager to come to a conference that's 500-600 miles away. What we've done successfully for the last 4 or 5 years through the council is to bring small seminars directly to 12 or 13 cities in the country. And we've amassed a large group of people that are very interested and believe that we brought value to that. That's all part of the networking equation as well, and an education venue, but you need this kind of a venue at a higher level to bring in the large speakers and the big events that facilities people need as well.
Terrific. Bill, we want to thank you for joining us today on HCD TV. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you.
And all the best to you.
Enjoyed it very much. Thanks.
Thank you.
HCD TV, from the publishers of Healthcare Design, providing expert insight into the design, architecture, and engineering of healthcare environments. Online, in print, and in person. HCD TV.